AI in drone manufacturing. Here you go. Same structured format for AI in drone manufacturing. AI in drone manufacturing. Intermediate means advanced, intelligent UAV systems. Introduction. Drone manufacturing focuses on UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle, design, production and assembly, flight systems, control and navigation. With artificial intelligence, AI, drone manufacturing is evolving into intelligent production systems, autonomous drones, smart quality control. AI is transforming drones into highly intelligent, autonomous flying systems. What is AI in drone manufacturing? AI in drone manufacturing refers to using machine learning and intelligent algorithms in designing, building, and optimizing drones. In simple terms, AI in drone manufacturing equals smart systems that design, build, and operate intelligent drones. Example concept. Design plus sensor data means AI model means optimized drone system. Why AI in drone manufacturing is important? AI is important because it improves drone performance, enables autonomous navigation, enhances production efficiency, ensures better quality control, reduces manufacturing costs. Without AI, manual design plus control means limited capabilities. With AI, AI-driven drones means autonomous plus optimized performance. Key components of AI in drone manufacturing. 1. Design systems, CAD models, simulations. 2. Sensors, cameras, GPS, lidar. 3. AI models, navigation, vision. 4. Control systems, flight controllers. 5. Manufacturing systems, automation, robotics. AI in drone manufacturing architecture. Key layers. 1. Design layer, drone modeling and simulation. 2. Production layer, manufacturing and assembly. 3. Data layer, sensor and test data. 4. AI model layer, navigation, optimization. 5. Execution layer, flight and operations. How AI in drone manufacturing works. Workflow. Design drone, down pointing arrow, simulate performance. Down pointing arrow, manufacture components. Down pointing arrow, train AI models. Down pointing arrow, deploy autonomous drone. Example. Conceptual. Def navigate, data, return, avoid obstacle. Print, navigate, camera feed. Key technologies used. 1. Machine learning, performance optimization. 2. Deep learning, vision and object detection. 3. Computer vision, navigation, obstacle avoidance. 4. Robotics plus AI, autonomous flight. 5. Simulation systems, flight testing, real-world applications, autonomous drone navigation, obstacle avoidance, path planning, autonomous flight, drone design optimization, optimize aerodynamics, improve efficiency, enhance performance, smart manufacturing and assembly, automated production, robotics-based assembly, efficient manufacturing, quality control and testing, detect defects, ensure reliability, improve product quality, drone fleet management, manage multiple drones, optimize operations, coordinate swarm systems. Advantages of AI in drone manufacturing. Advantages include autonomous operation, improved performance, efficient production, real-time decision-making, scalability. Example concept. AI means smarter drones means autonomous plus efficient systems. Challenges of AI in drone manufacturing. Challenges include regulatory restrictions, safety concerns, high development cost, complex integration, cybersecurity risks. AI versus traditional drone systems. Traditional drones, manual control, limited automation, basic navigation, AI-driven drones, autonomous flight, intelligent navigation, adaptive systems. Comparison. Traditional means manual drones. AI-driven means intelligent autonomous drones. Best practices. Use high-quality sensor data. Improve navigation. Optimize AI models. Efficient performance. Test in real environments. Ensure reliability. Ensure safety systems. Avoid accidents. Follow regulations. Compliance. Future of AI in drone manufacturing. Future trends include fully autonomous drone fleets, drone delivery systems, smart surveillance drones, swarm intelligence systems, AI-driven manufacturing. Example concept. Future means intelligent drone ecosystems. Concepts learned from AI in drone manufacturing. Understanding this helps learners understand. Checkmark how drones are designed and built. Checkmark how AI enables autonomous flight. Checkmark how computer vision works in drones. Checkmark how manufacturing systems are optimized. Checkmark how multi-drone systems operate. Simple definition. AI in drone manufacturing. Using artificial intelligence to design, build, and operate intelligent drones. Final summary. AI in drone manufacturing transforms drones into intelligent, autonomous systems. It enables autonomous navigation, optimized design, smart manufacturing, fleet management. It is essential for logistics and delivery, surveillance systems, agriculture, defense and industrial applications.